makeup tutorial on this festival look right here. This was actually inspired by Blackpink's Lisa's birthday makeup because I thought her makeup just looked so beautiful and flawless. I loved the use of neutrals, but with the rhinestones. This video is sponsored by Revlon, so I'll show you how you can also get that dewy skin finish with their products and how I created this makeup look. So let's get to it. I'm starting off with the Rose Glow Face Gloss as my primer. This has some pink iridescence to help give my face an extra glow. Next, I'm using this Benefit Brow Setter to lay my brow hairs down and keep it in place. I like to let that dry a bit before filling in, so I'm going to move on to foundation. I love the natural finish on this one. It's super comfy to wear on my skin and helps to even out my skin tone. For the stubborn spots on my face, I'm using the Skin Awaken concealer and stippling that in with a brush. Now I'm just lightly setting my base with some powder and a beauty blender. Now going back to the brows, I'm using the Revlon Brow Ink and doing quick light strokes to fill them in. For the eyes, I'm using this taupe shade from the Insider palette first and applying it in this rounded shape into my eye socket to add some dimension. Next, I'm taking a blend of the 3 darker brown shades in the palette and applying that to the outer corner and creating a slight wing shape. Then with a flat brush, I'm going to line the rest of the lash line. With this black brown eyeliner, I'm going to tightline the top. And then for the outer corner, you want to smudge it a bit. Then with an angled brush, I'm going to pull the product out to create a sharp, thin wing. We also want to fill in that inner corner tear duct area and also bring it to the bottom about halfway. Then I'm going to line the rest of my eye with a brush and a dark brown eyeshadow. This is going to help create that really nice gradient, but instead of following the shape of my eye, I'm going to draw it flat out, leaving some space at the end. You can see the difference that it makes. Then I'm taking this beige micro eyeliner to outline the edges of those lines. This helps to sharpen, clean, and accentuate the lines. And I want to try more looks with this bottom liner trick because it really opens up the eyes. Now I'm just curling lashes and doing mascara. Back to the rest of my face really quickly. I'm going to bronze my usual areas, the side of my cheeks, around the outside of my face, and for my nose, I'm just using my fingers to blend that in. Now we're going to highlight. If you want to go for that dewy skin look, make sure to apply a little bit above the front of your eyebrows. Now I'm going to add blush. I'm using Rose Balm. Okay, now back to the eyes, we're going to add the finishing touches. First, I'm adding a bit of shimmer to the bottom center of the eye. It's subtle, but I love it. Then I'm going to add the rhinestones. I try to do a mix of different sizes and place them the way Lisa had it. You can do whatever you want here, definitely play around. I will say if I were to do this look again, I would use bigger rhinestones. I think it would make the look even better, but I was a bit nervous this time, so I played it safe, which I'm now regretting. I just love the way Lisa's rhinestones clustered together. They looked so organic and beautifully placed. Now I'm just going to do the same thing on the other eye. For lips, I'm using the Super Lustrous Gloss in the shade Super Natural. I love this one. And for my hair, I've already curled it, but I'm going to braid the front hair pieces because my bangs are growing out and I want them out of my face. And I feel like braids just always fit at a music festival too. So here's the final look. I hope you liked this tutorial. Huge thank you to Revlon again for sponsoring this video. If you're going to a music festival this year, make sure to have fun, but also stay safe, and I'll see you in my next video.